Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are starting the new session, and if you remember, we proved the formula for multiplication, but we did not do some examples. So now I am trying to solve some examples for the multiplication. So example 1 is if we want to find Laplace of e cubed into e power 2t. If we have an example like this, Laplace of 2t into e power 2t, then we need to apply the formula of multiplication. So which was the formula? The formula was that Laplace of t power n into ft is always equal to minus 1 power n d and ds and function of s. This is the formula which we need to utilize for the multiplication. So in this formula, on left hand side, if you will compare these, it will give you the two values. One, the value of n, which is equal to 3 in this case, and the second one, the function of t, which is in this case is e power 2t. So we need only two values. One is n and other is function of t. So now for the application of formula, we need to find the Laplace of this function of t. So Laplace of function of t, and as we know that Laplace of function of t means e power 2t. So Laplace of e power 2t is 1 over s minus 2. And if you remember, the Laplace of function of t is also known as function of s. So whenever you find the Laplace of given function, it is generally known as function of s. Now we have the complete data to apply the formula. So now applying the formula in question, so Laplace of t cube into e power 2t will be equal to minus 1 power 3, minus 1 power n, and n is equal to 3. Then d3 by ds3, 3 derivatives with respect to s, and then function of s, that is 1 over s minus 2. Now what is needed? Just to simplify the right hand side as much as you can. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. If I apply the first derivative with respect to s, this will be equal to minus 1 upon s minus 2 whole square. Then minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So the second derivative of 1 upon s minus 2 is minus 2 upon s minus 2 cube. And finally the last derivative will be equal to 6 over s minus 2 power 4. This is the final response of this question. So let me take another example, and let's say if we have example 2 is like that, find the Laplace of t square into cos t. We have a product of t into a trigonometric function. So again, if you compare these, n will be equal to 2 in this case, and function of t is equal to cos t. So now the Laplace of cos t will be equal to s over s square plus 1 square, and this is becomes function of s. Now we can apply the formula, that is Laplace of t square into cos t will be equal to minus 1 power 2 d2 over ds square and s over s square plus 1. Now minus 1 square is 1. If I take the first derivative, I need to apply u upon v formula. So this will be equal to s square plus 1 whole square. Then s square plus 1 into 1 minus s into 2s. This is the first derivative. So if I simplify this one, this will become s square plus 1 minus 2s square over s square plus 1 whole square. And if you further simplify it, it will become d by ds 1 minus s square upon s square plus 1 whole square. This is the first derivative. Now we need to take the second derivative as well. So again applying u upon v formula. So it will become s square plus 1 whole power 4, then s square plus 1 square and minus 2s, then minus 1 minus s square, then 2s square plus 1 and 2s. This is the answer, but not in simplified form. So if needed, we can simplify as much as we can. So taking s square plus 1 common from numerator, so it will become minus 2s and s square plus 1, then minus 2 to the 4s, 1 minus s square divided by s square plus 1 whole power 4. So now we can easily cancel s square plus 1. So numerator will become minus 2s cube minus 2s minus 4s and plus 4s cube whole divided by s square plus 1 whole power 4. And then finally I can easily write 2s cube minus 6s divided by s square plus 1 whole cube. So this is the way to apply the formula of multiplication which we proved in the last lecture. So let me solve at least one more example and giving you the example of when we have a product of 3 terms. Let's take another example and then give you few practice problems on this as well. Let's say we have example 3 just like that Laplace of t into e power t into sine t. Let's say I have a product of 3 terms. So again, if I equate with the formula, n will be equal to 1 and function of t will be equal to e power t into sine t. So taking Laplace of e power t into sine t. So we can directly apply the formula e power at into sine vt. So this will be equal to 1 upon s minus 1 square plus 1 square. And if I simplify it, it will become 1 upon s square minus 2s plus 2. So if needed, you can simplify it. If not, it wouldn't be any problem. So now this is function of s. This become function of s. So now we can apply the formula, that is Laplace of t into e power t into sine t is equal to minus 1 power 1 d by ds and 1 upon s square minus 2s plus 2. So minus 1 power 1 is minus 1 and first derivative of this thing is minus 1 over s square minus 2s plus 2 whole square and then 2s minus 2. So minus minus plus, so it will become 2s minus 1 divided by s square minus 2s plus 2 whole square. So in conclusion, what we need to do is just to take two values from the question, that is the value of n and remaining will be treat it as function of t. Take the Laplace of function of t and apply the formula. Now I am writing few practice problems for you to conclude this topic. And then move on to the new topic. So some practice problems are find the Laplace transform in the following cases. Number 1, Laplace of t sine 2t. Number 2, Laplace of t square e power minus t. Number 3, Laplace of t into sine hyperbolic t into cos hyperbolic t. Number 4, Laplace of t square into cos square t. Number 5, Laplace of t cube into sine hyperbolic t. Number 6, Laplace of t into e power minus 2t and cos hyperbolic 2t. And then finally number 7, Laplace of t square e power iota t and sine t. These are few practice problems for the product cases. Now moving on to the new topic, that is Laplace transforms of the derivative. So in place of product we are now deal with division. So the topic's name is Laplace transform of 1 upon t into function of t. Means when we divide function of t with t. So this is the topic, or we can also write in this way that if Laplace of function of t is equal to function of s, then show that Laplace of 1 over t into f of t is equal to s to infinity function of s ds. So I write this in a way that it becomes a form of a question as well. So now going to prove this, we only know the formula for Laplace of f of t, and which is that 0 to infinity e power minus st function of t and d. This is the formula we are generally utilizing for the derivations. So now how I am proceeding in this case, given is that Laplace of ft is function of s. So on left hand side I am using function of s in place of Laplace of ft, and right hand side will remain the same. So 0 to infinity e power minus st function of t and dt. Now applying integral with respect to s on both sides, having limits s to infinity. Now I am going to integrate both sides with respect to s, and since in Laplace we generally have a definite integral, so I am keeping the limits s to infinity. So left hand side will become s to infinity function of s ds, and right hand side will become s to infinity, then previously we have 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt and ds. On right hand side I substituted the whole term in bracket, so you have the understanding that on both sides we apply the same integral in the same spirit. So now on the right hand side I am interchanging the integrals, and as you are aware that since integrals are generally known as operators, and if you remember I told you that operators are allowed to switch their places if you need and there is no other alternative is available. So I interchange it, and now I am applying the integral with respect to s first. So if I integrate this one, e power minus st will become e power minus st divided by minus t. Function of t will remain function of t, and then limits s to infinity and dt. Then it becomes 0 to infinity, and I write e power minus st is e power plus st, moving e power minus st in the denominator, and then we have function of t and minus t. Now substituting the upper and lower limit. So upper limit is infinity, so e power infinity minus e power st, as lower limit was s. So 1 over infinity becomes 0. So this becomes 0 to infinity minus e power minus st. I moved it again in the numerator, then f of t and minus t dt. Minus cancels with minus, so I can easily write 0 to infinity e power minus st 1 upon t into function of t dt, and this is known as Laplace of 1 upon t into f. So this is the way to derive this formula, which is said whenever you find the Laplace of function of t divided by t, then you need to integrate the right hand side s to infinity function of s ds. Now I will solve few examples for you as well before giving you some practice problems. So starting with few examples. So let's say example 1 is I am finding the Laplace of sine 2t divided by t. So it means whatever you have in numerator will be treated as function of t. As you know, this is function of t 1 over t. So leave it 1 over t, the remaining term will be treated as function of t. So here function of t is sine 2t. Now we need to find the Laplace of this thing. So Laplace of sine 2t will be equal to 2 upon s square plus 2 square. Simply applying the formula, Laplace of sine at is equal to a upon s square plus a square. So this is known as function of s. Now applying the formula for division, that is 1 upon t into sine 2t will be equal to s to infinity 2 upon s square plus 4 ds. Now what is required is to integrate the right hand side. Just what is needed? The integration of right hand side. So this is 2. You know, this is the formula for tangent inverse A. So 1 over A into tangent inverse S over A. And then we need to apply the limits, that is s to infinity. So 2 cancels with 2. So applying upper limit, so tangent inverse infinity minus tangent inverse s by 2. So tangent inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tangent inverse s by 2, and this is the answer for this. Let me take another example for this. Let's say I have example 2. Let's say I need to find Laplace of 1 minus e power t upon t. So now f of t is 1 minus e power t. Find the Laplace of this thing. So means Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of e power t. So Laplace of 1 is 1 over s and Laplace of t is 1 upon s minus a. And this is known as function of s. Now applying the formula for division, that is Laplace of 1 minus e power t upon t will be equal to s to infinity. Function of s is 1 over s upon s minus 1 ds. So just integrate both terms. So 1 over s is log of s minus log of s minus 1, and then applying the limits s to infinity. Now remember, if I directly substitute the limit, it becomes infinity minus infinity, which is an indeterminate form. So what is required when we substituted the limit, especially the limit of infinity? Try to simplify the terms in a way that when you substituted the limit, then the answer will comes out as a definite value. And for this, what we need to do generally is that try to switch the values of s in the denominator. So when s is in the denominator and you will substitute in place of s as infinity, then 1 over infinity becomes 0. So if I apply the property of log, it becomes log of s upon s minus 1 and then s to infinity. But still it is an indeterminate form. So if I simplify it, that log of s, keeping s common, 1 minus 1 over s, I cancel s with s, so it becomes s to infinity. Now this is the position when I substituted the limits, that is, if I substituted upper limit, that is log of 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon infinity, this is the upper limit, then minus log of 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon s, this is lower limit. So 1 over infinity is 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 upon 1, 1, and log 1 is 0. So log 1 minus log of 1 upon s minus 1 upon s. So this is equal to log 1 is 0 minus log of s upon s minus 1. So the final answer will be minus log of s upon s minus 1. So this is the way to avoid the answer of infinity. Take another example with 3 terms. Again, Let's say we have this example 3. Just write Laplace of e power 3t into sine 4t upon t. So here function of t is e power 3t into sine 4t. Find the Laplace of this thing. So Laplace of e power 3t into sine 4t will be, again we have the direct formula, and which is the formula? Formula says a upon s minus a square plus b square. So this is equal to 3 upon s minus 3 square plus 4 square. This is a. No, e power 8 into sine bt is b here. B must b upon s minus a square plus b square. So if I write it that this is the function of s, so now what is required is to directly apply the formula, that is e power 3t sine 4t divided by t will be equal to s to infinity 4 upon s minus 3 square plus 4 square is 16 ds. So now this is the formula, and if you, let's say if you are finding difficulty, then it is treated just right hand side as a simple integration question, and whatever is applicable in integration is applicable here. So if you do not remember the direct formula or you will find it difficulty, you can use the substitution method or direct formula. For example, if I substitute, let s minus 3 is equal to x, then s is equal to x plus 3, ds is equal to dx. Then if s is equal to infinity, x will also equal to infinity. If s is equal to s, then here s is s, so x will be equal to s minus 3 as written here. So now we can easily substitute all these values here. So it will become s minus 3 to infinity, and then 4 upon s minus 3 is x, so x is square plus 16 and ds is equal to dx. So now it become a routine question of your, and again it is a formula for tangent inverse. So I can write that Laplace of e power 3t into sine 4t upon t, and on right hand side this is equal to 4 into 1 over a tangent inverse x over a. 4 cancels with 4, and this is s minus 3 to infinity. So it will become tangent inverse infinity minus tangent inverse s minus 3 over 4. So this is equal to pi by 2 minus tangent inverse s minus 3 over 4. So just what is required is to find the value of s, find the Laplace of function of t, and just integrate once. So now I am again writing few practice problems before concluding this topic and this session 2. So few practice problems for division, so number 1, Laplace of 1 minus cos t over t. Number 2, Laplace of e power minus at minus e power minus bt over t. Number 3, Laplace of sine square t upon t. Number 4, Laplace of cos hyperbolic t over t. Number 5, Laplace of e power minus t into sine t over t. Number 6, Laplace of e power t into cos 2t upon t. So these are the practice problem for this current session. So now I am ending this session, and inshallah we will continue with Laplace transform in the next session. So goodbye and Allah Hafiz as far as this session is concerned.